Hey, Alan. All right, here is your 2392S sitting on my 69 F-head. Got a little issue with the linkage that I was going to give you, but yeah, they don't match. Okay, so anywho, testing and adjustment have gone well so far. We look down inside, you can see it's all nice and dry, pretty. Yes, sir. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Go ahead and check some numbers. Idle RPM. Currently, about 695, 700. Looking good. Fuel pressure running about 2.75. Vacuum is at 20. That's excellent. Alrighty, let's go ahead and pull it through a couple times. All right, buddy. I think you're going to like it. Thanks.